Hi sir, good morning. I am my patient who will present out to your student is from Friday and to 5 p.m. Sir, can I ask for your name?
Ethan,
Your age?
30.
Sir, do you have any past history of joint pain, pananakot po ng ulo, ng balikat, katawan po?
Okay.
Any past surgery po ba?
Ako.
Hindi naman po tayo nagka-fracture, nag-sprain.
Wala.
Sir, in this assessment, I'll be in need to touch you. Okay na po ba yun, sir? Dito po sa assessment natin, it's the musculoskeletal and the neurological. Sir, can I ask, pwede po ba? Always remember before doing the test, you clean your hands, you put your gloves and your proper PPE, and also let your patient know what you have to do. And in this assessment, you're also in need to show the patient that it is okay and not to be afraid of what you're going to do or the assessment. Sir? So, first step is we're going to check the back. If there's any tenderness, we're going to palpate or inspect the back. If there any tenderness on the back. Okay, so I don't feel anything abnormal, and as you can see, it is also symmetrical. I'm gonna check your extremities, sir. The strength of your muscles. Okay. Sir, we're going to do the rotation, the abduction, and the transfer. Okay, I'm gonna also check, okay, I'm gonna check the strength of your lungs. Strength of your lungs. Okay. As a scale of 0 to 5, as you can see now, it's 5 on 5. And check also, check and inspect also the hips, the hips of the patient. Just like what we did with the arms, abduct and flexion extension. Okay, first flexion extension. Also, and as you can see, there's no any tenderness and certain pivotal. And if you do this, you have to feel the curves of the head. In this assessment, it's okay kahit na hindi po tumayo ang ating pasyente. Nurse Marta, then I'm gonna ask you po. What's your name, sir?
Ethan.
Ano yung pangalan ng mami mo?
Dianis.
May aso po ba kayo?
Opo.
Ilan po siya, sir? Ano ba paborito ng class? After asking the patient, you have to check for the cranial nerve number 1, which is have to have a alcohol pad and then the patient's medicine. And now we're going to check the cranial nerve number 2, 4, and 6, which is the house. Or the part. Sir, pwede po ba natin i-cover ang isa na eye? So, sir, ano po na nakita mo? The other eye, sir? Ano po? After that, we're going to check the pupil of the patient, and it should be perla or perla. And as you can see, it's in normal, and we see the perla or the pearly gray pupil. Below the 6 cardinal movement. Okay, sir, paksundan na lang po. facial nerve of the patient. So can you smile? Down. And as you can see, it's in symmetry. There's no any abnormalities from the patient. We're going to check the cranial nerve number 5, which is we're going to palpate the jaw and check for any tenderness or swollen part of the facial nerve. And also, we're going to check for the EJ. So there's no tenderness as I palpate the patient's jaw. And now I'll lightly palpate the forehead, the cheek, and the chin of the patient. Wala naman po anything tenderness. Also, let the patient sip water and check how they swallow the water. Now, I'm going to check the patient's tongue by letting the tongue out. I don't see any abnormalities, and it should be a good sign. And now, you will have to check the sensor of the patient after our cranial nerves, and we need a cotton bud, and then we're gonna break it, and then let the patient feel it. And also, upper and lower extremities. We're gonna check for the upper and lower extremities. Now check the reflex of the patient and how they react for now. So, can you move stand up? And now I'll ask you to stand. So the patient is together, and for 20 seconds, the patient should not be able to fall, and to check the strength of the patient. Okay, so close your eyes. Okay, so that's it for so that's doing all the assessment and all the tests that you've done with the patient. You have to record it and notify the physician.